Look at that, Sea Furious jet boat. That looks well good. I'll have to do that. Morning everybody, hope you're having a great day. Today we're here at Benidorm and we are doing paragliding. Oh, I'm excited for this one, are you Beth? It's gonna be really good, looking forward to this. Let's go and do it. So this is the company that we're going with, the Parasailing jet ski. This is going to be the boat that we're going to be going in. Just preparing the parachute as we go up into the sky. Yes, can't wait, really excited.
I'll soon find out whether you're scared of heights. Oh, that suits you, Beth.
You look like Tomb Raider or something. Adios.
We're all kitted up now.
We don't fly away.
I know. Oh, a little bit nervous now to be honest. I'm gonna do it. It's gonna be fun. Come on. Bye. Bye. Here we go. Get out of here. The curse is real. There's a view. Poniente Beach. Brilliant. Going straight out into the open there. Alright, picking up some fish now. Come on. Oh, big legs. Hey. Oh, Beth, look, we're going to be like as high as them over there. Whoa. Up it goes. It's good doing it. Doing it.
Hi man, sit down please.
Excited.
There you go, Beth. Your feet! Oh my god, look how high we are! Look how high we are! No, don't drop us, man!
Look at our feet!
It feels like I'm on soaring, doesn't it?
But in real life.
Yeah. Put like the soaring music on. That's Jurassic Park!
Yeah, it's at the beginning of Jurassic Park, isn't it?
Oh yeah. We still got a bit to go, look at them up there. Yeah. Oh, that glass is in, weren't they? Oh, that was a close one.
I was saying to him, I said, "Let's stand up." He's like, "Just relax." I was like,
Oh, I'm panicking you like that. That's not like that. Jet ski. We're flying. We are flying. We are flying. I'm a bird. I'm a bird. This is awesome. That looks like we're having a battle of jet sensors. Oh, look how small that is. The sea looks incredible.
"Oh my god, they're bringing us down."
Look at it now.
I don't know.
We can't be coming back down, alright? Whoa! I want to stay up and be a bird.
I thought there was a big shark then, it's just the parasol.
That is a parasol, isn't it? I panicked as well, I think it's a big whale. Look at that view, that is incredible. are we off on board? Oh! Angle! Angle shot! Angle shot! Whoa! That wind picked up.
We did
We did it.
Romantic.
Is it a plane? No, it's a hefty paragliding. Not like a bird.
Quite relaxing when you're up here.
It's well nice. Come on, Mick, over there.
They're on that little
Film
leg
it.
there.
Yeah, on that leg somewhere. We're going to look so small on the cannon.
Huh?
Just in town, look at the clouds over there, look.
Whoa.
Thunderstorms forecast.
I could hear Beth screaming.
Look at the wind as well.
I know, well,
Look at the clouds there. They're forecast, weren't it?
Yes, did it! If you're wanting to do the paragliding, it was €100 to do that. €50 for the deposit, and then you pay the other 50 to make the 100 when you turn up, when you're doing the paragliding. They had no problems with me using the GoPro, so down to your responsibility. But all in all, that was absolutely class. Deserve a beer now. So what was your experience like, Beth? Was it really good?
Really fun.
They were really good! Do you actually feel like a bird? Seagull?
More like a superhero.
Superhero? Like Superwoman?
Yeah. Maybe just like super Bethany. My own unique.
I did feel like we were on Soaring, the ride. Disney. But obviously realistic. Can you just see?
Oh god, I can't see.
If you're wanting to do the paragliding, it's just here at the dock at the Playa de La Paz. Sorry if I've said that a bit wrong, but...
2 of you to go together is €100. To do it on your own is 80.
Oh yeah.
You might as well just pick up a pedestrian and...
Yeah, save some money. Also, let me know what is your favourite water sport in the comments below. But all in all, what a fantastic day. Have you enjoyed it, Beth?
Yeah.
Till then,
Really.
we get up and we go again. Thanks for watching. Bye.